today's video, I'm going to show you how to register a domain name with Hostgator. If you're ready to build your online presence, securing a domain is the first step. Hostgator makes this process simple and also offers hosting services, so you can manage everything in one place. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to hostgator.com. Once you are on the homepage, you'll see a range of services, but our focus today is on domain registration. Look at the top right corner of the page and click Sign In. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you don't already have a Hostgator account, click the option to create one. It only takes a minute, similar to signing up for any other online platform. After logging in, you'll land on your Hostgator dashboard. Here, you'll find all your existing website projects if you have any, as well as the tools to create new ones. Since we're registering a new domain, go ahead and click on Websites. Next, look for the option labeled Add Domain. This is where you can search for and register your desired domain name. Clicking on it will take you to the domain management section. On this page, you'll see your existing domains, if any, and the option to buy new ones. Click on Buy a Domain to begin. You'll see a search bar appear. Type in the domain name you want and press Enter. Hostgator will check its availability and show you whether that name is taken. If it's already registered by someone else, Hostgator will suggest similar alternatives or different domain extensions like .net, .org, or .info. Before settling on one, it's a good idea to brainstorm a few domain name options. Try to pick something short, memorable, and relevant to your brand or project. Once you find an available domain that fits your needs, click Add to Cart or continue to move forward. Next, review the pricing details and registration period. You can typically register a domain for 1 year or choose a longer duration if you want to avoid renewing frequently. Check the terms and privacy settings before confirming your purchase. After completing the payment, Hostgator will finalize your registration and send a confirmation email with all your domain details. Keep this information saved somewhere safe. It includes important data about your domain ownership and renewal dates. That's it. You've successfully registered a domain name with Hostgator. You now have full control over your new web address, which you can later connect to your hosting plan, set up email accounts, or use to build your website. By completing this step, you're officially one move closer to establishing your online identity. If you have questions about connecting your domain to hosting or setting up DNS records, I'll be covering that in another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides to help you manage your website like a pro.